This is a 2-minute testimonial and we're down at Burnie, Tasmania, doing the last course of 2019. Ilka's going to give us a little bit of feedback. Would you recommend the course?
Definitely. To any massage therapist, myotherapist, anyone in chiropractic or physio, I'd highly recommend this course. It's one of the best interactive courses I've actually done in my years, and I strongly recommend seeing Paula, as she can facilitate not only you working differently, but strengthening, relaxing, releasing tension through the body and muscles, and it's one of the best modalities that I'd recommend for between kinesiology, point release, 𝙎𝙗𝙤𝙪. It's a mix of so many different things, and it's one of the best modalities I've actually come across. So
Cool.
I loved it, and I would highly recommend it to any massage therapist out there. If you haven't done it, please do it. You'll get so much out of it.
Excellent. Well, I don't have to ask any more questions because that's a great plug. Don't forget, it's Chapmans Reflexes or neurolymphatic points, where we work on the neurolymphatic system and the fascial system and get the muscles up tweaking and the brain working well.
Thanks, Paula.
You're welcome. Thanks, guys. Paula Nutting, your musculoskeletal specialist.